Hello, class. Happy week 4. Sorry for the delay in getting this course announcement up for the week. Obviously, yesterday was the holiday, and I had the day off, and I didn't feel like doing squat. So, with that said, we are entering the second week of the hardest material, and as I said, it will get easier, I think, in terms of understanding the math and the statistics after this. So on tap this week is the normal distribution. To give you a leg up, I sent you guys already a very helpful file for the Excel calculations and syntax that you would need to do in order to answer several of the questions. So each question is a separate tab. You can just look at the problem, look at what's on your screen, change and substitute the numbers, and you should arrive at the correct answer. With that said, the normal distribution, if you haven't figured it out already, it's talking about basically the bell curve. In the real world, not all data is normal. We would like it to be. It's more or less a belief system, if you will. I kind of liken it to religious phenomena. As a statistician, I believe in the normal distribution. Mathematically, the normal distribution, at the simplest level, you can normalize your data, and that means express it in standard deviation units simply with that formula for any value in your data set. If you take it subtracted by the mean divided by the standard deviation, you have what's called a z-score. So that's the number of standard deviation units that particular value is from the mean, and it can be a positive number or a negative number. The standard distribution in and of itself, we have syntax in Excel, which you'll see in a few of the problems. And if you just do the equal sign and start typing NOR, you'll start to see all the normal distribution functions that are in Excel. And they're calculated in reverse, so you can look up what the standard score would be expressed in whole units or probability, depending on which function you use on the tail end of the formula. And then you the inverse. So that's all there for you to do and know. Other than that, you guys did really, really well on the previous week's first quiz, if you will. I think that's probably an artifact of the other helpful file you had for that. I would surmise. But then from here on out, like I said, it's going to be easier. And when we get into confidence intervals and that sort of thing, it's, in my opinion, easier to understand the application and the math. So, okay. That's it. If you have any questions, just ask. And someone, it'd be nice if they remind me about the critical article review alternate assignment, because I have that, and I will get that out as well. So, okay, let's have a great week, and if you have any questions, just ask.